everyone, and welcome back to another video. I am Marissa and this is my papers, paints and pens, and today what I have for you is a flip through of my finally finished autumn junk journal. Now for this journal I used a printable kit which you can find online in oscraps.com or even on Etsy. I will definitely put the links down for you for this kit. The kit is called Autumn Breeze and it has the most wonderful purples and golden colors. And it is a digital kit for scrapbooking, but of course, you know, hybrid lovers, we just love picking up those kits and fussy cutting everything out and making our own physical project. And I made this wonderful junk journal with that kit. So let's get to it. I have two tags that I did not put in the kit. I did make the tags with the embellishments of the kit. I will be putting this junk journal on for sale, and I will have these two tags, these extra tags as well with the journal. I just didn't put them inside because, well, it was really so bulky. Look how bulky this one is. It's just gorgeous. I will show you. So the tags I have used the embellishments from the kit. This wonderful top note card is also from the kit, and I used some burlap on some cardstock, and it is a pocket. So inside I have, of course, some of my original ephemera, some tickets, and gorgeous original, very old piece of handwritten letter. So that is one of the tags, and the other tag is also decorated. Look at the cute little squirrel there, isn't he gorgeous? As well with some burlap, because burlap goes so well with autumn. Really love how these tones and all the textures in this junk journal turned out. And here I have, it is a pocket as well. I made the burlap into a pocket, and I just stuck some original ephemera, some tickets, so you can decorate. Of course, in either one of these original ephemeras you can use to decorate your pages in your journal. So let's go. The cover is just tied up with some trim, and this trim perfectly matches the colors of the printable kit. Nice and purple, as you can see, purples and oranges. Oh, so wonderfully autumn. Really loved it. The front cover is highly decorated with a lot of the ephemeras from the kit. Again, the squirrel, wonderful pumpkin, and I just love this little twig here with the berries. What I did do is the berries, because it was very fragile, I did put a cardstock beneath the stem, so that's nice and sturdy. And it is, can you see the shine there? I did glossy accent that. And because I was with my glossy in my hand, I did do some other little elements like the leaf. I did this little flower, and I did do that little center button there. Can I show that? Can I get that? There we go, got that. And of course the leaves here by the squirrel have also got some, I can't get the light on that. Can you see that? Anyway, and I did put them together in a way to form a pocket. So this is a pocket, and I have another original ephemera with handwritten, gorgeous handwritten letter there. So that just tucks in there, and you can take it out if you want and just put your own title. All right, so and then you can use this inside to decorate it. I just thought that looked good there. Anyway, so now, the beauty of this junk journal, and this is what I really had fun with, was making these ruggedy edges. I do have a tutorial on how I made the ruggedy edges with the golden shine, shimmery shine. It just looks gorgeous. Look how gorgeous that looks. Can you see that? And on the other side as well, and even on the top and on the bottom. It just had, I thought this was just beautiful. And I just used distress ink and shimmery paint, so nothing too complicated, but I will link the tutorial in the description box. Alright, so opening up on the first page, I have a tag that I glued the whole tag down, and it is a pocket, and it's basically almost the same as this one. It has the pocket with the original ephemera tickets, and it is decorated with gorgeous ephemera from, decorative elements from the kit. Got some gorgeous little acorns. I love how she made those acorns. And as you know, my journals have pockets, and it's very simply, the pages are very simple, because I know a lot of you like to journal in your journals. and some like to just journal, so covering the whole page with handwriting, and others like to journal and decorate. So you can decorate your pages your own way. That's why my journals are very, very simple, and they may have a few decorative elements, but you do your own decorative elements in your own journal. So the first pocket has some more of my original tickets. I'm not going to take them out, but there's some tickets in there. You can use them to decorate the rest of your journal. You can take them out, and then maybe take them out and put your own memories inside the pockets as well. All of the pages are made with vintage papers, alright, just like this one here. This is that carbon copy that is left off with the receipts or the invoices. Even this paper, it's not printer paper. Well, it is printer paper, but it's printer paper from maybe the 70s or the 80s. I just took advantage of that, so it's still vintage. And of course I did mix it with some printable papers from the kits. They are just gorgeous. This is a nice grayish with some golden elements there. I did use some of these dictionary pages, which I did decorate. Now this I decorated before printing out the kits, so these elements are just washi tapes and some butterflies I cut out from a book. Another printable from the kit. And the kit, she offered these pockets, or these file folders rather, and I transformed them into pockets. I also have a tutorial on how I transformed the file folders into pockets. And you can go onto her Facebook page, her Facebook page on a Whimsical Adventure page, and you can download these for free. So I just got those, and I thought this looked brilliant, and it matches the kit. It goes with the kit, so that really, it's nice and purpley. Love it, love it. I will link the tutorial as well on my description box. Another page from the printable kit, and this is one of the pages that I decorated for you. I just made a simple pocket, and I just included some of the little bits of the embellishments that you find in the kit, that you can use in any page to decorate your spreads. Another tag of mine using some burlap and some elements from the printable kit as well. And this flips open, so you have all this to journal on and to decorate on as well. Another one of my vintage carbon copy papers. I did include some fabric in this journal. I think it was the first time I've actually included a page with fabric. This is a small little one. Maybe you can staple bits and pieces of ephemera on this one. Or you can even stamp. This is great for stamping. Another printable page. This wood grain is gorgeous. And another dictionary page that I decorated. So you can see all the pages are nice and blank, that you can definitely write on and decorate on. Another printable, this is gorgeous as well. And look at this one. This one has got the golden, this gold with the purple. I just thought it was just amazing. I really loved this kit. Oh, and I didn't show you what was in my pockets, my file folders. So let me just show you what's in my file folders. I did put some original ephemera in my file folders, so you can use them to decorate your pages. And in this one, I just put some tickets as well. So you can use everything, every single pocket. I fill it up with some of my original stuff. And in this pocket here, again, I just used some old book paper, and I decorated it with some of the embellishments from the kit. This is an embellishment. I just used the top note, and then I went to get other embellishments and I put them on the top note. So it's basically my own tag that I made. You will not find this tag in the kit. I just made it. I made it up. But you can do that as well. You can get all the other embellishments, like these embellishments, and put them on top of other embellishments and make your own collage, digital collages of your embellishments. It looks great. And then here's an original vintage photo, black and white photo. And here's another fabric piece. This is a nice big page. You can stamp on it. You can, I think that looks great. It's actually 2 pieces of fabric that I just sewed together. And of course, I thought this looked quite good. So I just left that there. And you can stamp on it. You can staple some ephemera on it. I thought that was interesting. It gives some extra texture to the journal. Another page from the printable kit. Another pocket, and of course in my pockets I have some original receipts and invoices. You know me, I love filling up your pockets with original stuff. And this is a printable, don't know if you can see that with the lighting, it's like a fluffy carpet. Wonderful for, it's either a fluffy carpet or it's a fluffy bear, a white polar bear. But it's some fluffy white hair. So gorgeous for nice and warm feeling for autumn. Another page, and this one just flips open because it's the wings of the dragonfly, and I just tuck that back in. Another page of the printable, and in here another pocket with some more of the tickets. The tickets are yellow, pink and green, so they go well with the tones of the journal. More of the printable pages that just got lovely gold and purple. And that's the other side of that wood grain paper. Or not, no, this is not, I still haven't gotten to the middle, so that's another wood grain paper from the kit. She has 2 wood grain papers. And this is the center. That's the other side of the wood grain paper. And another one of my tags. The owl is from the kit as well. And isn't he just gorgeous? And he's laid on some burlap that I put in, and the tag does flip out again, so you have this whole space to journal on. The other side of the papers, the printable papers, and even the printable papers for she has some papers that are just simple, and she has some papers that are have some decorative elements. And even on the simple pages, with just one color or one solid or 2, like a grained color, like she goes from one color to another, even on those pages, I like to put some embellishments on them. And that's how I get these wonderful designs, or my own designs on her printables. You can add things, you can bring the embellishments, you can bring other elements onto her printable, onto her pages, and you can make your own designs. So we're sort of like hybrid and digital there. And another pocket with some original ephemeras. These are some receipts. And that's the other side of the printable page. Another dictionary page. And here's another pocket that I included some original ephemera, like the old photo. And some of the, here's that top notes card. And I just put some embellishments on the other one that I showed you. It's simple like this, and you can just fill it up with your own embellishments, or keep it simple because you can write on it as well. And then there's this one. That's, I think, like a label or something. Gorgeous colors. And here's the other side of that white furry carpety polar bear page. This is a ledger. I like using ledgers. And a pocket filled with some original ephemera, some receipts, some invoices. That's the other side of the page. Here's the other side of my fabric paper. Not paper, sorry, my fabric page. More of the, this is just gorgeous. Even the carbon copy, it's just gorgeous. Very, very old. This is the printer paper. That's from 1970 or 80. I use that as well. Here's the other side of my file folder pocket. It's got some original ephemera and some tickets. Got some, you see the papers. This is just a simple, how do I call it? Solid. It's not basically a solid, so it does have two or three colors, but it's a granulated solid. So with these papers, what I do is, well, with these digital images, what I do is just add other images on top of it and make my own little design. So you can do that as well. And I just use Microsoft Word for these designs, so nothing too complicated. And you can size them up and size them down as you want, as you wish. Here is another decorative dictionary page, and here is that ephemera. Where is it? This one here. This one here I turned into a pocket. So I just used some seamstress paper, if I'm not mistaken, the nice thicker one, and I just made that into a pocket, and I just covered it up with this wonderful label. And I have another original letter, handwritten letter, and that's just inside there. That's the other side of the wood grain paper. I think there are 2 files with wood grain, I'm not sure, but anyway, that's the other side of that one. That's the other side of my small little piece of fabric. Another little pocket that I made, and this fox is from the kit. She has this top note exactly with this little fox. He's so gorgeous. And of course, here's another top note. I really love these top notes. I've printed a whole bunch of them, as you can see. And of course, it's a pocket, and I used this wonderful berry twig, the same twig as I put in the cover. And other side of that little page, another file folder pocket with more ephemera, and I've got a ledger page here and a receipt. And even the file folder, I did put some distress ink, and I did colors with my shimmery gold paint, so that even that's nice and golden. Oh, I'm losing my voice there. Sorry about that, it's back. Another altered dictionary page, or decorated dictionary page, just for some interest. And that's the other side of that grayish paper with that gold designs, and gold little dots and little crosses. And here's another pocket that's paired up with my first pocket. And now, of course, I have a vintage letter and some receipts. And the back is also with the design paper. All right. So that is my travel journal. I hope you like this travel journal. I really enjoyed making this one, just because of all these rugged edges and with the shimmery shine of that gold on that purple. Just amazing. I'm going to tack this one in. So I hope you enjoyed the flip through of my autumn junk journal, and I will be seeing you later. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.